Hi entrepreneurs! Today we will be making a tiramisu cake recipe using inJoy products. Remember, inJoy products are your building blocks. Nasa pagtitimpla nyo yan and you can mix and match flavors according to your liking. Let's start with making our first milk tea base, which is inJoy chocolate milk tea. Let's add in lots of ice. Important ang ice sa drink. Now let's pour our second drink mix, which is our inJoy Dalgona milk tea. Add some inJoy cream puff, then inJoy crushed cookies, top it off with inJoy whipped cream. Again, the recipe depends on your taste. This is just an idea. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye!